Before we kick things off, don't forget to check out the link in the description below to purchase your very own custom patches. Now let's dive in. Ever pondered about personalizing your apparel or bags with distinctive patches? This trend has been gaining momentum in recent years, providing an exciting and unique avenue to showcase your personality and fashion sense. Firstly, let's dive into the world of custom patches. These intricate pieces of art can be made from high-performance fabric and threads, ensuring durability and longevity. Patches can be ironed on or sewn onto various items, including clothing, bags, and even DIY projects. They are often used to hide holes or repair clothes, but they also serve as a unique form of self-expression. Recently, the world of custom patches has seen some exciting developments. For instance, a star seller on Etsy has been making waves with their high-quality personalized patches. Made with love from polyester premium twill cotton, these patches can be personalized with up to 10 different colors. The patches are not only durable, but they also won't fade, peel, or wash away, making them a fantastic investment for your wardrobe. In the world of fashion, custom patches have also found their way onto varsity jackets, a staple garment in American culture. Notably, the first proto-Letterman jacket was seen at Harvard University in 1865, and it featured a large embroidered H. The popularity of these jackets grew, and by the early 1900s they had evolved into the modern varsity jacket we know today. Now, alongside the classic felt lettering, custom patches are often used to add a personal touch to these iconic pieces of Americana. But the uses for custom patches extend far beyond the realm of fashion. They have also made their mark in the world of personalized gifts. As we approach the holiday season, many are looking for unique and customized presents that will be cherished by their loved ones. Custom patches, with their ability to be personalized with different designs, sizes, and colors, make for a thoughtful and unique gift option. So, to summarize, custom patches are not only a fun and unique way to personalize your clothes and accessories, but they also serve as a durable solution for repairing garments. They have made a significant impact in the world of fashion, particularly on varsity jackets, and have emerged as a popular choice for personalized gifts. Whether you're looking to express your personality, repair a beloved garment, or find the perfect gift, custom patches offer a versatile and stylish solution. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. If you're as excited about the world of custom patches as we are, you might be wondering, how can I get my own custom patches? Well, we're glad you asked. You can easily order your custom patches online with a multitude of options available to suit your personal style and needs. You can choose your own design, colors, size, and even the type of backing you want. It's all about creating a patch that truly represents you. Now, isn't that exciting? Don't forget to check out the link in the description below for more details. Thanks for being with us on this journey into the vibrant world of custom patches.